Hi, I'm Mark Delaney from Balance Catamarans Cape Town. This afternoon, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on the progress of our new flagship model, the Balance 750. It's standing here behind me. You can see what we've done on this boat is the outside skins of the hulls have all been built with normal e-glass, with the exception of the chain plate area here, this black area, which is carbon fiber. The reason we've used e-glass on the outside skins of the boat is to try and keep the noise levels down for owner comfort inside. Once you get into the boat, which we'll see shortly, is the entire interior of the boat, bulkhead structure, is all done in carbon fiber. Starting at the back of the boat, I'm standing on the starboard swim platform at the moment. You'll see the first major structural beam of the boat. This is the aft beam, which is a carbon fiber beam. That's going to house the hydraulic traveler ram, which will control the traveler for the boom, and as well as the main sheet. So that gets housed inside of this beam, and that beam you can see is busy being bonded structurally to the boat at the moment. The aft cockpit area will be manufactured on this platform that I'm standing on. On the starboard side, we'll have the renowned patented Balance Versa helm, which will have a helm station that you're capable of steering on the starboard side, and we'll have a similar one on the port side as well. This boat's going to be run by hydraulic systems, which will enable the crew or captain to control all the trimming of the vessel from either helm. So with the aid of hydraulics, you can do everything touch button. So this is obviously not the saloon door, but this is a saloon door bulkhead that's in position. And over here, you can see the grid section that supports the bridge deck. So the grid section's got what we call top hats that have got voids in them that allow us to run our hydraulic lines up and down the boat, as well as some electrical cabling. And then this stiffens the bridge deck structure up that will sit below the saloon. The forward bulkhead of the saloon, which has a door opening out into the forward cockpit. Forward cockpit will house the winches, primary winches, as well as some seating and a little table for relaxation when you're on anchor. The interior of the boat has got a fully customized interior that's been designed by Design Unlimited in the UK, and they've worked very closely with the client to come up with complete unique design for the interior of the boat to incorporate a lot of the owner's ideas in the layout of the boat. So generally in a boat of this size, the interior would be customized to suit the owner's requirements. So heading off, this boat's got basically four companionways. On the port aft side, this would go down into the owner's suite, which has an athwartship bed and private shower vanity area. Starboard side has a guest cabin, also that's en suite, and that's got a standard fore and aft bunk that you can walk around. Up forward on the starboard side, we have crew and further guest accommodation, and on the port side, we have a fully gym that's been incorporated to house all the necessary gym equipment, bike, bench press machine, etc., and then another guest cabin forward of that. So I'm now standing in the forward cockpit, where we have the mast position right here. We have primary winches on either side of the mast, and then a seating area behind me over here. Up forward here, we've got the track position, the jib track position, which is also going to be hydraulically controlled. And through this large deck hatch that you can see has got a rebate in it. On the front here, we'll have the generator, which has a PTO to control the hydraulics. And then that becomes the systems locker. So all the major systems for the boat, of which a boat of this size obviously has quite a few, but majority the hydraulics, generator and the battery system will also be housed in this front area on top of the bridge deck. Forward of that, we have the anchor locker and then a big sail locker on the port forward side. So in the next video, I'll be taking you through the hulls, showing you the accommodation that we have in the hulls and some of the other systems which will be starting to come onto the boat.